Hey guys, this is me, and here's my bike check for my 2011 Salvador Dirt Edition Subrosa frame. Got an Alienation PBR back rim, which really fucking sucks. Tire tread, Kenda, it sucks too. The stock sprocket, Subrosa. Shadow PC pedals, lasted quite a while for me. They're okay though. Some Verde seat wiggles. It's really shitty. Grips are holding up for a while. Just long necks. Something. Bar ends aren't holding up very well. This side's fine. And then there's bar end in there's gone. Fit bars. Fit stem. I'm not sure what it is, but it's fit. Some red line forks. Yep. This bike's my bike for jumping dirt. And that's about it. Stock cranks. That's it.